Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Dewi Nurmalasari, SPD MM, as Supervisor 1. The Honorable Mr. Dr. Ahmad Fauzi, SPD MAK, as Supervisor 2. In this occasion, I will present my proposal with the title The Influence of Parent Social Support and Self-Concept Towards Learning Achievement Mathematics through Motivational Mediation Student Learning, Class 10, State Vocational School, 3 Jakarta. Before continuing the explanation, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanifaria Saputri, name 17096211043, from Office Administration Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. The main discussion in this presentation consists of introductions, research study, and research methods. Chapter 1, Introductions. Of course, in establishing of study, there are underlying problems. Background of the problem in this research is there is a decreased students' learning achievement. Support by the data, the 2022 Program of International Student Assessment (PISA) data released by the OECD scored Indonesian students' numerical ability at 3066 point, down 21 point from 2015 until 2018. 2. Education Quality Assurance Center, Education Report Card 2023, the numerical ability of senior high school or equivalent student was 41%, still lacking in the good category. From Ministry of Education and Culture 2023. Based on this data, it can be seen that the student in Indonesia, especially at the secondary school level, still experience difficulties in learning, which affect their academic achievement. This was conveyed by the Minister of Education and Culture by the Education and Abdul Mukti that as a result of online school 5 years ago, students in Indonesia are experiencing learning loss. Learning loss is a decrease in student abilities, motivation, and achievements in learning. In addition to learning loss, education in Indonesia also often experiences change in policy, such as in the selection of state schools. Initially, students compete to achieve in order to get into their dream school, but now they are based on an older age range. Based on the phenomenon, there are problems that cause a decline in student achievement. Students are faced with many changes that occur. Based on the result of the process in the table above, according to students, the ranking of variables that meet the achievement of learning mathematics motivation to learn 4.65, self-concept 4.33, parental social support 4.28, teacher role 3.50, and peers 2.45. Based on the visual result of the first viewer from 200 journals, parental social support and self-concept have not been widely associated with other studies. Previous research by Maulida and Rustam 2019 explained that parental social support is not completely significant when learning motivations is present as a mediator of learning achievement. Support from parents does play an important role in shaping students' personalities, and student learning motivation is also factors in student achieving learning achievement. So, based on the data, phenomenon, pre-research, and Visual Viewer and Research Gap, the author is interested in conducting a deeper study entitled The Influence of Parental Social Support and Self-Concept through Learning Achievement uh, through the mediation student learning motivation at SMK Negeri 3 Jakarta. Next, research purposes. First, to determine the influence of parental social support on learning achievement. Two, to determine the influence of the concept on learning achievement. Three, to determine the influence of parental social support on learning motivation. Four, to determine the influence of self-concept on learning motivation. Five, to determine the influence of learning motivation on learning achievement. Six, to determine the indirect influence between parental social support and learning achievement through learning motivation. Seven, to determine the indirect influence between self-concept and learning achievement through learning motivation. Next, novelty research. First, the use of learning motivation variables as mediators in this study is expected to obtain results that answer the question of whether mediation from the variable occurs indirectly or not. Two, the use of a population that's include as class X, class 10 student at SMK Negeri 3 Jakarta in the 2024/2025 academic years. Third, a comprehensive discussion regarding the possibility of the influence of each variable. Next, chapter 2, theoretical review. Theories. Social support parents. Parent social support is social support given by parents to their children in the form of positive communication support, attention, provision of facilities, and infrastructure provided. Indicator consists of information, support, appreciation, instrumental, and emotional. Self-concept is an individual views and belief about himself, including physical, emotional, social aspects, as well as abilities and values. Indicator consists of physical self-concept, psychological self-concept, and attitude. Next, learning motivation. Learning motivation is the drive or energy within an individual that drives behavior to achieve certain goals. Indicator consists of extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivations. Next, learning achievement. Achievement is the result of person abilities, skills, and attitude in completing something. Learning achievement is the result achieved by students after carrying out learning activities by showing changes in aspect of knowledge, attitude, and skills. Next, relevant research result. G. Muller at Zisman F. Helm. Academic achievement has a strong impact on one's self-concept, both within and between subjects. As Wilder, the relationship between parental involvement and academic achievement is positive. Next, Frederickson and et al. Parental social support and self-concept have a positive and significant influence on achievement motivation. Next, parental attention has a significant effect on learning achievement. Achievement motivation does not have a significant effect on learning achievement by research Zunaidi. Next, Saamo Lydia. The result support the hypothesis of parental social support on achievement through motivation mediation. However, parental social support is no longer significant predictor of academic achievement after including the mediator. Next, Dewi. That there is an indirect influence of self-concept on mathematical learning achievement through achievement motivation, and there is an indirect influence of parenting patterns on mathematical learning achievement through achievement motivation. Next, research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, there is an influence of parental social support on learning achievement. Hypothesis 2, there is an influence of self-concept on learning achievement. Hypothesis 3, there is an influence of parental social support on learning motivation. Hypothesis 4, there is an influence of self-concept on learning motivation. Hypothesis 5, there is an influence of learning motivation on learning achievement. Hypothesis 6. There is an indirect influence of parental social support on learning achievement through the mediation of learning motivation. Hypothesis 7. There is an indirect influence of self-concept on learning achievement through the mediation of learning motivation. Next, here's the research constellations. Social support parent as for independent variable, self-concept as independent variable 2, and learning motivation as mediation variable, learning achievement as independent variable. Next, chapter 3, research methods. Research methods. The research location was conducted at State Vocational High School 3 Jakarta, located at Garuda Street, number 63, Kemayoran, Kemayoran District, Central Jakarta City, DKI Jakarta. The population is all students of class 10 of SMK Negeri 3 Jakarta. The sampling technique is proportional random sampling. The sample distribution uses the Slovin formula. This study uses the concept of ex post factor research, correlation research techniques, and includes quantitative research. The research is divided into, namely the independent variable of parental supports, self-concept, and one mediating variable of learning motivation as primary data, and the dependent variable of learning achievement as secondary data. Primary data is the main data in the study obtained through a questionnaire survey. Secondary data is obtained through assignment scores, mid-semester summative, and off-semester summative mathematics of grade 10 student in the odd semester. Data collection technique. Method of collecting data is first questionnaire with a Likert scale, second documentation, assignment score, mid-semester summative, and off-semester summative, odd semester 2024/2025. Research instrument. Financial social support is one emotional support, esteem support, instrumental support, and informational support. Source Sorafino, Friedman, and Tardy. Self-concept is psychical self, physical self, social self, moral or ethic self, and family self. Sourced by Shamshu, Hurlock, and Chalfun. Learning motivation. First, intrinsic motivation. Two, extrinsic motivation. Source Uno, Ekawarna, and Sardiman. Learning achievement. Learning achievement indicator are secondary data obtained from mid-semester summative and end of semester summative report card in accordance with previous research conducted by Dewi, Rohma, and Hasan. Next, data analysis techniques. Data quality tests using validity testing with product moment correlation formula. Second, reliability testing with Cronbach Alpha formula. Structural measurement in their model. First, R square, two, F square, three, predictive relevance or K2, four, quality index, fifth, bootstrapping or hypothesis testing, six, indirect effect. Here's the rule of thumb in our model. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.